Okay, well I just put like.
We'll do it on the last ones because I'm gonna be doing the same thing like 7 times, so I'll do it on the last one.
Daniel the Beaner made this shit.
Oh, fucking virgin on that. You want it? Bought it for you.
First step, you oil the bitch.
You never eating like this, bro? What the fuck?
Get a close-up shot of you seeing it.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want that forearm, fucking grind this shit and you'll get it. Holy fuck, it's oily as fuck too.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh, that ain't work. Let's try my luck. I'll just do it with it. Anyway.
I'll just
Why not doing the pieces you say? Is that one of these word shit?
Oh.
No, we can only put like 2 minutes. Let's not make this again for work. Got me a ticket. Hey, Aldo, you're not getting any good.
I'll take over from here. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna fucking spill it, you dumbass.
I hope they got it.
Actually, the fucking.
Catch on fire, though.
Oh. You gotta test it.
Perfect. Oh no, it's sophisticated. What you're seeing here is the accumulation of multiple flavors. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna let it sit for about 2 minutes. You're gonna let the butter, it's gonna go down all the way. What you're gonna do is you're gonna let the butter melt all the way down, and what you're gonna want to do is what I call a French style of cooking a steak. You're gonna use a spoon, and you're gonna let it bathe in the hot butter. Now after that, as you can see, that shit's on fire, but it's all good. It's all good. And what you see here, ladies and gentlemen, is almost fully cooked, medium rare. Oh, okay, he's adding a little bit more of that virgin shit. I respect that. I respect that. All right, again. Some of that action. Alright, what you're seeing here is food, essentially.
Oh wait, you take.
Oh, okay. Chef David is preparing another one. Okay, he's as you can see here, he's checking the power level of the steak.
Don't let it dry.
We wouldn't want that shit to kill us and stuff. So we're gonna let it simmer for a bit. As you can see, he's using prongs. Very wise move actually from our chef David. Hi, David. Yeah, he's checking power levels again. We wouldn't want to overpower the steak. All right, Chef Dan. Has prepared us another tray to put the done steak. Thank you, Chef Daniel. This is food. All right, so you are checking the power levels, correct? That's overcooked, nigga.
It's whatever you call caramelization, or how do you say it?
Oh, I wouldn't want to disrespect the chef. My bad. I'm sorry. What a cocho.
Oh shit, the fumes.
Culo tenías que ser. Oh shit, yeah. Aldo, bring the goggles. There's someone there. And Chef David will now prepare another one. You see, this one's a little caramelized, but that's all part of the plan.
Yeah.
All right, Chef David is preparing another one, as you can see. No, you don't want to leave it too city. Oh, that one's full of meat. Holy fuck, that shit caught on fire. Chef David, you have this under control, correct? Chef David, what are you doing? Can we have commentary on that, please?
That was my secret new juicy.
Oh shit, word?
I hate it when the smoke comes through.
Commentary on this?
Yes.
Oh, I respect that. I respect that. Wise words. Wise words.
This is fucking hot.
Hey, Chef David, comments?
My name. Stick your dick.
Oh yeah.
Stick your dick in there and put a piece of onion. No, not onion, ajo, ¿verdad?
No, it's on the fire, fool.
Hell yeah.
Can I smoke on the steaks?
Bruh.
You smoke on your steak, nigga.
Can you cook my steak then?
Fuck you.
I respect that.
Drop all the weed
I
then.
regret now.
We're just like.
Some weed on it.
Speaker.
Not me.
I don't put a weird ass song that talks about
That's the solution.
masturbating.
Just put it right over the fire.
Commentary on the steak.
Let me put my meat there.
Oh, I respect that.
Hey, you wanna hop on the grill, dog? You'll take
Hop on this dick. What? No homo. I said no homo though.
Tonight?
Did you say no homo, dog? Bruh, I thought you was on that gay shit, bruh. I respect that, bruh. I respect that, motherfucker. No homo.
So, we had some issues.
Bro, where's your? Oh, this is your steak. Hey, it still looked good when I was doing it.
Yeah.
Not that last part. I was putting mine down there, charcoal.
Alright, so they came out fucking raw, so we had to put them back in.
You gotta get Jose Chef on the line.
He's a grill master.
I ain't even high though.
Did y'all not get high off of it?
I'm high as a bitch.
I don't think it's
You are?
Bro, I should have stuffed one with weed.
Why
and
do you think
thrown
I'm so good right now?
Oh.
Delicious. Finally, some good fucking food. And yeah, that's about it, folks. Hope you enjoyed.
And what you gonna do is use a spoon.
Get closer.
Gordon Ramsay, my bitch.
Oh shit, Chef David. You owed me money. Technically, it's free.
Yeah.
Aldo, stop throwing shit on there. What is that?
That's butter, dog.
Don't even remember, dude. It's cool.
What if you caught on fire? Slap. Chef David, have some decency. You're on a fucking film.
What are you laughing at?
What's so funny?
I don't know.
Oh, fuck. We've lost some fucking butter. No.